guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you are new here, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification so that whenever I post a video, you will be notified. So as the COVID situation is going on, we will not be able to step out of the house and celebrate our festival. So that's the reason why I have chosen this simple yet glam makeup look, which can be easily wearable indoors. So without any further ado, let's dive straight into the video. So first up, I'm gonna moisturize my face, and for that I have taken the Cetaphil moisturizer. So this is a very good affordable moisturizer, you can go for it. And I'm just gonna apply it all over my skin. Next up, I'm gonna prime my face, and for that I have taken the Nykaa's Prep Me Up primer. So this is a very good silicone based primer. So I'm gonna just apply it all over my pores wherever I have, basically near my nose area and the chin cheek area. So yeah, and so nextly I'm gonna color correct my face, and for that I'm using the LA Girls Pro color corrector in the shade orange. So I'm just gonna apply it all over my dark spots and also like around my mouth, under my eyes, and I'm just gonna blend it very well. So basically you apply color corrector before applying concealer or foundation to kind of give that balanced look, like it shows the natural look. So that's the reason why we apply color corrector. So now I'm going to start applying foundation, and for that I have taken the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. So I'm just taking a pump of it, and then I'm going to mix it with the NYX Professional Makeup foundation, and I'm just going to mix it very well because the Maybelline's foundation is a shade lighter to my skin tone, and the NYX foundation is a shade darker to my skin tone, which unfortunately I have ordered the wrong shade. So I'm kind of mixing both of them and creating my own shade. So I'm just blending it very well with a damp beauty blender. So now I'm gonna use a concealer, and for that I have taken the NYX concealer in the shade CW05. So I'll just highlight wherever I require, like the highest points of my face, under my eyes, on the bridge of the nose, and I'm gonna blend it very well with a damp beauty blender. So always make sure that you're using a damp beauty blender, because if you use a dry sponge, your makeup or your base looks cakey and it does not look flawless at all. So always prefer a damp beauty blender. And next up I'm gonna set my base with a compact, and for that I'm gonna use the Maybelline's compact powder, and I'm gonna set it very well with a powder brush. So now I'm gonna tame my brows, and for that I'm using an eyeshadow, the subtle brown and the darkest brown from this palette, and I'm gonna tame my brows very well. So you don't have to have a separate kit like the eyebrow kit or eyebrow pencil. You can always mix and match with your eyeshadows and create your brow pomade. So nextly I'm gonna apply our loose powder with a flat brush around my eyebrows to kind of make it much more precise. So you can either apply concealer or a loose powder. So now I'm gonna start doing my eyes, and for that I have taken this light brown shade from this palette, and I'm gonna apply it on the crease and above the crease slightly and blend it very well. Next I'm gonna use a kajal pencil, and I have taken the Sugar's kajal pencil, and I'm just gonna draw a slight thinner line on the upper lash line, and I'm gonna smudge it very well with a flat brush. So I'm gonna do the same on the other eye too, and the key is here, you have to smudge it very well. So next up I'm gonna use the same brush which we have earlier used to apply the brown eyeshadow, and I'm gonna apply the same shade on the lower lash line, and I'm just gonna spread it or smudge it very well with the flat brush which I have used to smudge the kohl. So whatever extra is left, I'm just gonna smudge it very well. And next up I'm gonna use a pencil brush to highlight the inner corners of my eye with the Wet n Wild highlighter. So now I'm gonna take a glittery shade from this palette, and that matches very well with my outfit, and I'm just gonna tap it all over my lid, like wherever I have applied the black kohl kajal, I'm just gonna tap it there. So I'm gonna take the same glittery shade on a flat brush and I'm just patting it all over my lid, like wherever I want to apply it. Next up, I'm gonna take a pencil brush and I'm gonna highlight my brow bones. Mascara, and for that I have taken the Maybelline's Push Up Drama mascara, and this is really good mascara, and this actually works the best on your lashes. It kind of makes your lashes look fuller. So now that I'm done with my eyes, I'm gonna move towards contouring my face, and first I'm gonna contour my nose, and then I'm gonna take a flat angle brush and I'm gonna contour my cheek area, my jawline, my forehead. And I always prefer using powdered contour products because cream products doesn't suit me, so you can choose any one which suits your skin. So the purpose of contouring your face is to make your features look enhanced and sharper. So now I'm gonna highlight my face, and for that I'm using the Sugar's mini highlighter, and I'm just gonna highlight my highest points of the face like my cheekbone, bridge of the nose, forehead, chin. So now I'm gonna curl my eyelashes, and the reason why I prefer curling my eyelashes at the end is because if the mascara is dried and then you curl your lashes, then the lashes goes to the next level. It shows as if you have applied falsies, but as I do not like applying falsies, so I prefer this trick. And again I'll be applying a coat of mascara to kind of make it set very well. So as you can see. So now I'm gonna apply blush, and for that I have taken the Sugar's mini blush in the shade 02 Pink Pinnacle. So I'm gonna apply it on the apples of the cheek and a little bit on my nose to kind of give that natural effect, and also on the chin. So I'm just gonna apply it very little quantity. If you require, you can just build it up, but start with very less quantity. So now I'm gonna set my makeup with the Swiss Beauty makeup setting spray, and this is a very good and affordable setting spray. So lastly I'm gonna finish this look with applying a lipstick, and for that I have taken the Nykaa's Molten Matte Lip and Cheek color, and this is in the shade 15 Penny. This shade was kind of nude, but I don't know, for some reason it was looking little darker on my lips. So I have to balance this, so I'm gonna use the Nykaa's nude shade. So this is the final outcome which has come after mixing both the lip shades. So now I'm gonna apply lastly a highlighter again. I know, but I like highlighter, so I kind of apply a little bit more. So yeah. So yeah guys, this is the final look. So I have two options in stickers. One is the mustard color which matches my outfit, so I'm gonna apply that and show you guys how it looks. If not, you can also go for the black or white stone stickers. So yeah guys, this was it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.